Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Postmates easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Postmates app on your mobile device. If you are using a computer, visit the Postmates website. Look for the login button on the home page or app interface. Click or tap on the login button to proceed. You will see two fields for entry. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check to ensure there are no typos in your email or password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once your email and password are entered correctly, click on the Login button. Wait a moment while the system processes your request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Postmates account dashboard. You are now logged in and ready to place orders or manage your account. If you encounter any issues, review your email and password for accuracy. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid login problems. If all else fails, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.